Hey, everybody. I'd like to invite you to join me for my upcoming class in April called Game Changing Product Research. This is a class which is designed for creatives and artists and even e-commerce professionals who are maybe uncomfortable with developing new products based on research. So I'm going to show you really specific techniques that you can use to help get your creative juices flowing, to help understand the business of what people are looking for, to help maybe make you feel more inspired or create something you think might have a warmer reception. And then also to help you take art that you've already created and understand some simple ways that you can see what people are searching for and monetize it. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples here. Let me switch to share screen and let me show you some examples. So first of all, this is the class. It's in collaboration with this amazing woman, June Berry, who teaches people how to hone their creativity and bring it into products like decks and cards and other things like that, how to have creative businesses. So we're going to be working with her and her community and her amazing insight as well. Okay, so this is a class, Game Changing Product Research. It's $111, so it's very affordable. It's for a whole month-long program. We have live meetings every week, along with homework, basically unlimited Q&A. So it's a pretty good deal. Okay, so let me just give you some simple examples of what I'm talking about. So let's just say, for example, that you were thinking about creating a painting. And you're like, I wonder what people are searching for on Amazon. What do people want to buy? Just curious. And so you do a search for wall art. So in your search, you're going to just type in wall art and you'll see that things Amazon starts to try to figure out what it is what you're looking for. So one of the things that, so I'm going to put in wall art with birds. So now you know that it's spring. People are looking for wall art with birds. And you can even take a look here and see what kind of things people want. Now you're going to see some numbers and data on my screen that you're probably not going to have on yours because I have a bunch of software that tells me things, but you can learn these things as well. So for example, with each product here, you see some numbers up here. It tells you how popular it is on Amazon. We're going to get into these details a little bit more in the class, but this gives you a good idea. Now, each product on Amazon has what's called a rank, a bestseller rank. And we all know number one bestseller is the best. So the lower the number on the rank, the better. But you can see here is a painting of some birds. It's ranked pretty well in paintings. 372 is good. So just kind of interesting. Like you might be like, oh, wow, that's a really cool painting. I want to do like birds on a wire. And that looks like it's on a piece of wood or canvas that looks like wood a little bit. And, you know, maybe I can do something like that. There's a lot of bird on wire paintings. Maybe I'll do that. Oh, look at this silhouette. You can also really dig down and see what kind of birds people are interested in. And that might inspire you too. So this is just one example. We're going to dive much deeper in the class, but this gives you an idea of how you can kind of see what people are looking for when it comes to wall art. The other thing I wanted to show you an example of is, let's just say you have created something. And I'm going to use pineapple as an example. Let's say you've created a beautiful painting of a pineapple, or you just really like pineapples, collage, mosaic, whatever your deal is, right? So now I'm going to put the word pineapple here into my search, and you'll see the choices pop down again. And look at that. There are people searching for pineapple wall decals. Huh. I had no idea. Now, I didn't know that that was a big thing, but apparently there's a lot of people searching for pineapple wall decals. Wall decals are something you can have printed and made right here in the USA or whatever country you're in. It's a pretty simple product to get made. And so this might be a good thing for you to take your art and understand how people might like to use it in their homes in a simple way. So again, this is just two examples of how you can use data to guide your creativity, help you monetize your art, and still stay true to your principles. And for those of you who are more e-commerce oriented, and maybe getting into private label or producing your own products, it will help you see how you can begin the process of using data analytics to help you understand what customers want, what they're looking for that isn't available, and how you can fill those niches. So I hope you'll join me. It starts in April. You can register right now. The page is up. There will be a link in the comments, description, etc., depending on where you're watching this video. And I hope that you all have a wonderful, creative, fun business day. Bye.